Enjoy Caribbean-style fun and amenities galore at our closest vacation resort to Walt Disney World. Welcome to the lovely resort community of Windsor Hills. Bask in our beautiful Florida sunshine at the lagoon-style pool, or relax in the hot tub after a long day of playing at the nearby theme parks. And when it comes time for more activity, you're gonna love this. You and your family will have a blast in this video arcade, while fitness fans can sweat it out in the state-of-the-art fitness center. And check out this super fun water slide, or this awesome themed playground. And there's this fantastic recreation area that has sand volleyball and both basketball and tennis courts. Or if you just need some peace and quiet, there's this lovely lakeside getaway. By selecting a beautiful Windsor Hills condo or a spacious 6-bedroom home, you're sure to have a dream of a vacation.